I was struggling with anxiety, depression, sleep disorder, and my mom had actually told me about this place and to check it out. So when I went online, I looked up everything and couldn't believe how many areas that it targets and what all this could actually do. I would say my sense of calm and just my outlook on life. When I really noticed everything really starting to work on myself was I was driving one day, and I've never liked anything about the snow or driving in it, and I remember driving in an icy snowstorm, and for the first time I wasn't white knuckling the steering wheel. My heart wasn't racing. I didn't feel like I needed a Xanax right away, or that I was going to hyperventilate or needed to pull over. It was unbelievable, and so I knew right then and there this had been working, because that's never happened to me before. I would tell them it really is a life changer, and if they're looking to improve certain areas of their life and want to get rid of whether it's anxiety, sleep, attention, anything, it really helps, and I've noticed a huge difference. You really don't have anything to lose.